Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I'm here. It's me, Margie Olvida channel. If you newbie here, don't forget to follow. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification button bell so that you can alerted every time that I have upload. I'm not feeling well, guys. I have headache. Look, it's dark. Dark because no electricity, no light. Oh, the roaster. There's a lot of roaster here anyway. Roaster is alarm clock. Roaster is alarm clock in the morning. So, yeah, that's the province area. Province. You know, here in the Philippines, if you living in province area, there's a lot of uh, animal. There's a lot of chicken in a roaster. You can every morning you can hear the voice of roaster. So that's our alarm. Alarm in the morning. Alarm voice of roaster. You know, it's Missy house. Missy house. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Look at my nails. I got long nails. Maybe today I'm planning to go to salon to change the color. Mm, I'm haggard. Thank you for watching.